prophecy. And all we need, thank you, I love that. All we need is a suggestion of anything at all.
Remote control.
Remote control, thank you, Ryan.
It's just on stage.
I see someone who has to confess to their partner that they watched the next episode without them.
Oh.
That's their show.
What's the show that they watched?
It was Gilmore Girls.
Oh.
They had both not seen it, and now they're watching it together to be able to talk about it with other
They
people.
spoiled a rewatch?
No, it's a first
time.
watch.
First watch?
Yes.
Does Gilmore Girls have like a suspenseful thing that where you're like, oh, let's watch the next one again?
Gilmore Girls?
I think I have, and I just don't think it's suspenseful.
I see a Best Buy.
Oh! Yeah!
Yeah! The possibility!
I love Best Buy.
I love Best Buys.
You guys, the possibilities.
The possibilities.
USBs.
Which section are you in? Which section of Best Buy?
Man, I'm in CDs.
Not even DVDs?
Because I like to start in the past and work my way to the future.
That is a wild way to buy technology.
Well, that's what I do.
I see freshmen moving into their dorm. Man. Wow, look at that place. It's empty, but it's full of possibilities, right?
Are they sharing the room? Or?
Yeah, they got a roommate. They They haven't arrived yet. But,
Did they pen pal before they got there? Like, did they introduce each other to each other?
yeah, it was pretty brief.
They introduce each other to each other.
Yes. It was one email each. Each of them just said, my name's Carl, my name's John. Yeah, Carl and John. Think of the
They could
possibilities.
freaking take over that school.
Man.
Best friends for life.
Oh, CJ.
God.
See that dang neighbor kid's got himself a little flying airplane or some shit.
Dang neighbor kid.
Dang neighbor kid.
There goes the neighborhood.
Yeah, you said it, brother. Huh? Yeah, you know, it's one of those little loud, buzzing toys. It's flying in at all hours, you know.
I saw it. Is it brightly colored?
Oh yeah, and it's recording me all the time.
Ah, jeez.
Oh my God.
It's recording you all.
Yeah, that dang neighbor kid, he's always open my business, you know? Yeah.
Violation.
Yeah, it's actually really nice.
Yeah, it goes through my mail.
Whoa.
That's a lot.
I catch that 11-year-old in my trash all the time. Yeah.
Wait, the neighbor kid's crazy.
Are you being surveilled?
By the dang neighbor kid.
I see an army of robots. Whoa. And it looks like they're fighting a war in the future.
Oh, then we don't have to worry about it.
But they're fighting. No, but if anything, maybe we should take action.
No, we're good.
No, we should take action now to stop it. It's like maybe like a thing today.
Okay, all right. I got the popcorn made, and I am ready for the episode where she decides if she's gonna go with Jess or not.
I just don't know if I should go with Jess or not.
Oh my God, go with Jess, girl.
Well, you gotta go through the options that you have. Option A, go. Option 2, don't. Option 3,
Her mom's voice is so annoying. I'm so excited. I literally was at work and I was like thinking about this all day at work.
Okay. You know how I work from home?
Yeah.
And you know how sometimes I have reactive days where I don't proactively do work, but I just react to things that come to me? And how sometimes that gives me some time in the day to do things around the house.
Okay, yeah, like cook or clean.
Uh-huh. And sometimes I did go through that box in the bottom of the closet that you asked me not to go through, but I also might have watched ahead this episode of Gilmore Girls. Which do you think is worse of those two?
Are you
The
like...
show is good enough, it doesn't
Can I
matter.
talk? Are you being serious right now, or are you telling me a joke? You watched it? I don't give a shit about the box.
I actually have a lot of follow-up questions.
Well, we're gonna talk about this first, because... Are you serious?
I'm sorry.
Are you fucking kidding me right now?
No, Jin, I'm so sorry.
I literally trusted you. 4 years together. And you've blown it in one moment. And you fucking took a grenade to our relationship.
Actually, there was stuff in that box that blew us up a long time ago.
Yeah, I cheated on you, but it doesn't matter. What the fuck? I'm literally sitting at work like an idiot, talking to people about how excited I am.
I still did some work today.
Oh, great, congratulations.
I'm not behind on anything.
I'm Jess. You're Dean. I'm Jess, and you're Dean right now.
If anything, I'm Logan, who you'll meet in a couple seasons.
Curran Connor, I come from the future. There's a war between robots, and I need your help.
Okay, how far in the future?
100 years.
Oh, get the fuck out of here.
No, come on.
My wife is pregnant. I got more immediate things to 100 years?
Yeah, I killed a doctor to get into this outfit so I can pull you out of the OR. It's a big deal.
You killed a doctor 100 years from now?
No, I came here naked. I killed the
Yeah,
doctor.
put some clothes on.
I have the doctor. Okay, all right. Look, I know this is kind of awkward.
Look, my wife is... Look, this is very common. My wife is pregnant and she's in a coma. So I got more immediate things to deal with.
Here's the thing. That's why
Dad,
I'm
you
here.
have to hold the bag higher. You have to hold the IV higher.
Look, okay, I feel like this feels insane. The hospital didn't have like a metal stand? Or
You burned a hole in the carpet where you came from the future.
Yes! I got sent back here in a wormhole, and I need you.
Don't
Right.
touch.
What?
Don't touch.
Okay.
Look, I'm worked up, I'm sorry.
Curran Connor.
I know that. I came back because you're the key to saving the humanity from the robots.
I'm the key?
They're designed off of your DNA.
Off of my DNA?
I don't get it either.
You don't?
No, but I was sent back.
Hold on. You come back 100 years from the future and tell me, by the way, keep in mind, my wife can hear everything.
Best Buy. What an adventure I'll have today.
Look, Jedediah, someone is in the CD section.
McKillicuddy. McKillicuddy, we love the city section.
Everything's in black and white. Hi, I'm just perusing the Best Buy.
Yes.
On purpose?
Yes, you know.
Jedediah, we said this day would come and it finally has.
I thought no one else was going to come into this Best Buy. But then you did.
I just have some, time to kill before my movie starts.
Your movie starts?
Okay.
Don't tell my wife about movies. We only know this Best Buy.
Okay, so I'm gonna ask you two things.
Yes, that is our horse and buggy.
I already knew that. Where are you from?
Amish country. But we moved into this Best Buy, thinking it was old and quaint.
Yes.
Okay.
We've never walked past the CD section.
Okay, well then you've answered my second question. You all have a good day. I hope you find like an employee or whatever you're looking for.
No, you are our future.
That can't be true. What do you mean on your future?
No one has.
He has risen?
Oh!
No one's risen. No one's risen. I am not from your fables. I am not from your myths. I'm a regular
We're
guy.
from Amish country.
Yeah.
Okay, you're speaking.
Show a little respect, please.
Sorry, I mean the way you're speaking, it felt like there's like a.
We believed a man would come.
We've been in the CD section for years and no one has come.
Since 2004. Your 2004.
A man with a bushy beard and an angry
My
disposition.
2004?
Yes, a man with a bushy beard and an angry disposition.
I'm not that angry. It's just this is very I'm really taken aback. Okay, I just thought I would kill some time, and now I feel like I've walked into some sort of futurist.
Kill time.
Saying it. He keeps saying it. Time doesn't die here.
Time never dies. I'm sorry. I see the angry thing now.
Dearest roommate, might I introduce me to you, you to me? I am your roommate. I look forward to meeting you on the first of school.
That's sweet. Hey, I'm Carl.
Surely there must be more.
Have you received a letter from your roommate?
Yes, I have.
Read it to me.
I'm Carl.
It gets to the point, doesn't it? All right, see you later.
Okay, maybe he doesn't understand. Okay. Dearest Carl, it is I, your roommate, writing yet again. I am so thrilled that we will be roommates. I've enclosed 30 pages of my poetry. Feel free to respond with your own creative aspirations.
School's not here yet.
Father, do you want to amble in here again?
Yes. Include some of my poetry in this one.
You're right. Maybe he just doesn't understand. It's too rich. Here we go. These carrier pigeons are really
Sorry,
something,
but
aren't they?
the road's closed. You gotta go the other way.
Good job, Grandma.
It's a living. Is it two twin beds or?
Maybe we'll push love with me. I mean, who would it be? Don't fall in love.
Oh my god. I've been so excited to try this restaurant. I feel like we're gonna love it.
Yeah.
It's like all of the type of food that we love, and it's just like perfectly close by, so
Oh, hi, welcome back.
I could really.
Hi.
We have a birthday.
Did you say welcome back?
I have that face. The face of your old roommate's friend who you met once at a party.
Oh, Beth saw you came in. Here's your usual.
That waiter used your exact name. Your exact name, Beth, your one name that you go by. What the fuck is going on here? What is happening? We were gonna go to this restaurant together, we talked about it.
I belong to a swingers group. One time we all came and had dinner here. Which of those are you more upset about?
I fucked 100 people that aren't here. What did you get? What did you order last time?
All right, we'll begin the divorce proceedings, the paperwork, and Beth.
You remember my name right off of that paper, didn't you? Curran?
I remember you from the last divorce.
Have you done divorce already? And I fucked that person.
Welcome to the kingdom of heaven. You have died and...
You died before.
For 10 seconds. And what a 10 seconds we had it.
Wow. Don't you feel bad for killing me over one of my fuckers?
One of your...
Frodo! Okay. I left you that ring. We must take it to the mountain and throw it into the volcano. It belonged to the Dark Lord from thousands of ages ago. It had this power inside of it. Whoa, don't drop it. Hey, come back. Where are you going? I'm not allowed to touch it. I'll become evil if I touch it.
I have to go to the store.
What the hell? What seems to be the problem? Saruman, my great teacher.
Gandalf, who's this?
Ooh.
I was both the whole time. You gotta go to the store.
We'll talk about it.
Come with me to the store. What do you have to get?
I gotta get sugar.
I have to get sugar too. Amazing. Are you baking? Baking. Wonderful. Let's go.
What the hell's going on here? Frodo's my friend! What is happening? Oh. What the hell? You get into the living room?
I can see everything. I'm getting kind of bored.
Dad, if you're going to
Forgot my
hold
money
that, you
bag.
have to hold it higher. Yeah.
I'm getting bored.
Why do you keep inviting people and eyes into my home?
I'm trying to show you how important this is. You gotta pick up that ring.
It's not important.
Oh, look at this beautiful elf.
Who's the hot
It's Legolas.
This is ridiculous. I don't care about any of this. I don't care. I'm so far away. Look how little I am. I could not possibly have any consequence in any of this is.
I'll take it.
Just one for the Golden Corral. Just one for the Golden...
My God. Molecular. Molecular, get it here. Oh.
That's a solid wall.
Welcome. Take it to the Golden Corral, the most old-time here pastimes.
Yeah, I saw it was empty, and I used to come here when I was a kid, so I figure...
You've been here before?
You're crying.
I am?
Molecular, you're crying.
I didn't know that I could still cry.
Yeah, I just wanted like a quick lunch. I'm on the... what's going on? A little bit too much touchy.
Oh.
It was foretold. A kind of grumpy, bushy-haired man would come and he'd be a savior at this Golden Corral.
And he would be alone. He would be so very, very
Take me
alone.
to Golden Corral
Is he
alone.
ready to impregnate me?
We cannot, for we are all related.
You cannot. I'm I'm so sorry. I just came for a quick lunch.
A quick lunch and a quick show, right?
Yes.
Oh, goodness.
Yes.
Of course. The big platter of meats.
I'm also not that grumpy. I'm actually really jovial.
You are a buffet.
I don't want.
You must have protein to impregnate her.
I don't want. Listen, I'm not your savior.
But why are you a buffet of sadness?
I'm just here on a business trip. I'm making my way back to the city.
So humble. They said he would be sad, but we didn't know he would be hungry.
He's just.
Tell us, when was the last time you shaved your beard?
Honestly, it's been years.
Oh,
Don't.
please.
Click. 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 Click.
You gonna hand that over?
Click. Click.
Oh, I like that.
Click.
He's going fast.
Click.
Oh, perfect. The game. Okay, cool. Let me.
Click.
No.
Power's got your head, Ron.
Ron, stop showboating.
Yes, you found the remote and we're very grateful, but if you could just leave it on one channel.
Click. Click.
Okay.
Click.
The clicker only has 10,000 clicks. You're wasting them.
I don't want to do this. I bought a universal remote.
Finally, bring this insanity to an end.
Good. Okay, good. We want to watch that.
And I also can control the lights. Click.
Stop, what?
That's too dark. Click.
Click.
That's too bright. Click.
That's...
Click.
Wait, now there's music playing.
Yeah, I programmed the Sonos.
Stop. Oh, no, my
Are you trying to change me?
Ron, it's a remote. Ron.
Hold on, I have a...
Rewind.
Remote for Ron. Like,
Are you rewinding Ron?
rewind. Like,
What's happening?
was Ron a robot the whole time?
I'm just gonna go further back before you found the remote and end this madness.
Don't go too far back. Wait,
Why?
We're going too far back. We're going too far back.
What's gonna happen if we go too
He's
far back?
de-aging. He's de-aging. We're going backwards. We're going backwards. Fucker.